Welcome back, everyone. We have the pleasure of having our guests from 7-Day Dental. Christine Chung is here, and also Chuck Lee, both doctors with 7-Day Dental, and of course they're located right over at the center to the Willow Tree, which is almost done remodeling, which is great.
Good morning.
Yeah,
yes,
great to have you
here.
here.
Wait.
Yeah, I know, it's a long time coming, right?
Yeah.
But it's going to be really nice. So today we're going to talk about a few different things, but one of them, and you brought a kit that you're going to talk about here today, is teeth whitening and polishing and that sort of thing. So tell us about the different options that are available, what you folks do as dentists, and to get people looking great for the holidays.
So we wanted to talk, everybody wants always to look younger and to look prettier or nicer, more handsome. So the first thing I want to talk about is teeth whitening. Most people, there are many ways to whiten teeth, and they all seem to work. But what we find is there is always some side effect, like sensitivity.
Oh, okay.
And so this kit is a true 100% zero sensitivity.
Oh, that's nice.
And so at our office, we provide all types of teeth whitening. And we find that we've yet to have one patient complain about teeth sensitivity. And it's a take home, and it only requires 10 minutes. And so zero sensitivity, take home, and it's very inexpensive compared to some of the other stuff that we provide at our office.
Why is this different?
Well,
what makes it like you don't get the sensitivity?
It's just a combination of ingredients that, and the company is very smart because it's a true 100% sensitivity. And I'm so happy because, you know, now patients, they do it and they keep doing it.
Yeah.
And they have no problem doing it, you know, 10 minutes a day, and they can do it every day. We've done, where I've done teeth whitening for myself, and I like to do it like once a week or once a month. But I remember before I used to grudge it because I know that afterwards it's going to be some sensitivity for at least a day.
Yeah.
And you know, the notion of no pain, no gain, that's what you had to go through.
Yeah.
But now with this type of teeth whitening, I have zero sensitivity, and it whitens effectively enough so that you could do it every day. So now what I do is, as you know, once you whiten your teeth will get very white, and because of the food we eat, the coffee we drink, the wine, it may revert back a little bit, a shade or so.
Okay.
And then by just using this for 10 minutes, it gets you back to where you are.
Okay.
So a lot of people feel or think that, oh, if I'm going to whiten my teeth, I drink a lot of coffee, it's going to get yellow again. And the fact is, it never goes all the way back to the spectrum once you were, you know, but just revert back a little bit, and then you get it up there again. So what we usually do for the patient that are interested in whitening is we have patient come in to do a polish, because you'd be surprised when we do a polish, just a polish.
Is this like the polish that dentists have been doing
That's
for
right.
years?
Hygienists
Yes.
and dentists.
Yeah, the little
Not
rotation.
To get the major stain out.
Yeah.
You don't even have to do a cleaning. We have patients that come in once a month to do a polish.
Okay.
Is there
And
a heavy drinker, a coffee, or you know, red wine drinker?
And it already whitens your teeth 1 or 2 shades.
Yeah.
And then you follow up with a whitening kit.
Very good.
It's awesome.
And especially with the upcoming of the holiday, this is a great idea for gifts for family and friends, and it's very affordable.
Yeah, that's nice. So it's you take that home and do it, and then if you need more supplies, they come back to you, and that's how that
you
works,
only
like
need
a refill.
to purchase the refills on the bleaching gel.
Okay.
But not the entire kit. So
Very nice.
It's a lot less expensive.
Yeah.
But it's great for gifts.
Yeah. Let me ask you about, I know you've talked about this before, the laser to correct your gums, bring your gums back to life and healthy. And I know you've talked about this before. You've even, I think, brought in the apparatus. But what does that do compared to just standard cleaning? Because people hear laser, you know, is it like cutting something? Is it just creating a stronger bond? How does that work?
Well, we use a laser for mainly 2 reasons.
Okay.
So I'm sure everybody realized when you get older, your teeth are always a little shorter because of the wear and tear, and a lot of people that clench their teeth or just from wear and tear and the food you eat.
Right.
So what we found is by using laser, we can, without minimal anesthesia, we can lift the gum up. We can trim away the gum a little bit to make your teeth longer. Because as you know, when you have shorter teeth, it makes you look older. Right? So, but just by lifting the gum just a teeny bit, it makes you look at least 5 to 10 years younger. Okay? And it's very, there's zero discomfort, and there's no bleeding, and it heals very fast. And, for patients that not too tough, they're scared that we'll numb them a little bit, but most of the time there's zero sensitivity and there's zero discomfort. And the second thing we do with laser is, what we find is when we do cleaning or deep cleaning, we find that by using laser, first of all, it disinfects the pocket, the gum, and it also improves the attachment. You know, because a lot of patients that haven't been into the dentist for a while, that have swollen gums and bleeding gums, what we do is after we do the deep clean, we use the laser, and it reduces the bacteria counts, and at the same time, it makes it so the attachment is stronger. So it's healthier, makes the gum healthier.
All right, let's, you know, you talked about people looking better for the holidays and that sort of thing. Tell me a bit about bonding and veneers. What is the difference, and when would someone need that over using your whitening kit?
Yeah, so the most common questions when patient comes in and say, how do I improve my smile? I want a celebrity smile or $1 million smile. So the first thing we do is, of course, if it's yellow, we can do bleaching. Now, some patients cannot tolerate bleaching. We introduce to the zero sensitivity bleaching kit. And then we go into the other phase, which is the restoration. Bonding is more direct, in-office bonding, less expensive, but sometimes they don't last as well as the veneer or crowns, cosmetic, full porcelain crowns where we have to send to the lab. But the crowns or the veneers are to improve the size, the shapes of the teeth, and especially the color, the shade, if you wanted to have more permanent without going through bleaching all the time. Then we do veneers or crowns that you can choose the widest color there is out there. All
right. You know, one final question. You talked about healthy gums and what you do with the laser, but just at home, what are some of the steps that people can do to keep their gums healthy?
Well, you always want to floss first, and then brush. And when you do brush, you want to brush gently. Over the weekend, I worked Thanksgiving, and I've had a patient that had some sensitivity, and he uses toothbrush so hard on his gum. Because you think, oh, it must be because I didn't keep it clean, so he's rubbing it, made a canker sore out of it. So flossing, gently brushing, and rinse with the antiseptic afterwards. And I think it's wise, especially as you get older, to floss and brush after each meal. Because it just reduces the food particle getting stuck. But I want to add more to that cosmetic bonding, because what we're able to do now, a lot of patients, they get scared, like veneer, oh my God, it's so expensive, and what am I going to look like? But what we do is we are able to do a prototype for them for so inexpensive. And the prototype can last a day or two. This way they can go home and see their family and say, wow, do you like my new smile? It's very inexpensive. And I've had so many patients, after we do the prototype, where we do the bonding in 5 minutes, and we're able to get the patient to get so excited, and their family so excited that they come back to do the veneer. So I think that's the game changer that we're able to do, provide for the patient.
All right, very good. And holidays are coming up, of course, and I know that sometimes you folks do some stuff for Laguna Woods Village, and
We always give discount.
We always give discounts.
Which is
and,
nice.
Yeah, and if you need to drop by for a consultation, come on by. If we can help in any way, we will. I know Christmas is around the corner. We have many promotions going on. We can give you 20% discount all across the board. And I can't stress enough the importance of the gum.
Yeah.
If you have healthy teeth, but you don't have healthy gum, your teeth won't last.
Right.
So come on in, especially the year's almost over. Use wisely your insurance benefit before it runs out. Drop by for a checkup or a cleaning or even a polish. Yeah.
All right, very good. And the information's on the screen. And I know that, is your signage up yet?
The sign's up.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, because I know they were just putting them up the last couple of weeks, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for stopping by. We appreciate it. And again, there's the 7daydental.com, and then their local number that serves Laguna Woods here, 949-859-3988. We'll be right back.